All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are coming live from our Joburg office. Good morning and welcome back to the opening bell with myself, Tshepo and Ashley. And this is brought to you by TD Markets and TD Markets Academy every Mondays to Fridays at 9, streaming live on YouTube. I hope you guys are having a good morning so far. It is a Thursday, or rather a Wednesday. It is a Wednesday morning, and we are going to continue with our market commentary. All right, so this morning we are focusing on the stocks. While we are waiting for the cryptos to move, we are then going to just keep our eyes on the stocks and do updates on some of the stocks we spoke about the past couple of weeks, all right, which includes Lyft. So we're going to have a look at the Lyft stock. We're going to look at the Uber stock as well as Tesla, all right. So the Lyft stock, the last time we spoke about the stock, it was when it was trading around forming this correction, all right. And the reason for that, the reason why we spoke about this stock, it was because of the expansion talks, right? Lyft is an e-hailing company that connects consumers to drivers, and it operates in the US. So they are expanding into Europe. So, obviously those news, we were expecting a positive reaction from the market because of those news, all right? So at that point in time, the market was just correcting after this aggressive push towards the upside. And this correction, it turned into a big one, right? It turned into a big correction. So from here, I think looking back, I think the market was first going to close this gap, right? This could be the reason why this correction turned into a bigger one. The market closed the gap, giving us a higher low, right? And then now we've pushed towards the upside. So this is the move we were anticipating, right? From when price was forming this small correction here, right? There was a small correction here from when price was forming this. We're anticipating price was going to push up. It did go up, but then later on went down to create a bigger correction. And now we've got the move. So from here on, we're anticipating Lyft to continue trading higher. All right. So keep an eye on this stock. There's great opportunities here. We've already broken out. So on the lower time frames, there is a correction that's forming on the lower time frames, right? But as long as price, according to these confirmations here, we're anticipating whatever price does, we're anticipating the market to continue trading higher, at least taking us back to this high, right? At least taking us back to that high, because already we have gone back to this high already. So a break past this high, we're anticipating it to continue trading higher. So that is how the Lyft stock is looking, guys, right? An update on that. The second one here is Uber. Now, we also spoke about Uber because of the corporate earnings. And at that point in time, there were two possibilities, right? And price was trading inside this channel. So the first possibility, depending on the earnings, is that Uber is going to push up. The second possibility was that Uber, it will first go down and then later on push up, right? These are the possibilities. So now the market pushed towards the upside. So now from here, we've broken out of this channel. We've broken out of this resistance. And then we've got a retest, right? We've got a retest there. So anywhere from here, guys, we're anticipating price to continue trading higher. Right? At the moment, we are trading within an uptrend. So we are just sticking with this uptrend, right? We're going higher with it. Obviously, we have to be careful of this high as well, right? If price fails to break above this high, then we are possibly going to get a push towards the downside if it fails to break above, right? But if it breaks towards the upside, then you're going to get a push towards the upside. So we're just waiting to see how price will react. We don't want to speculate too early. We just want to wait to see how price is going to react. So that is the Uber price action, the Uber stock. All right. And then the last one we have was Tesla, right? Tesla, we also spoke about it. The last time we spoke about it, it was creating this formation. And then we said, according to this formation, we are looking for a continuation towards the upside because this is a continuation pattern. All right. So looking at the past 4 days, the stock has been performing well, or rather, sorry, the past 4 weeks, I meant to say the past 4 weeks, the stock has been performing well, and this is the current weekly candle. All right. On the lower time frames, you'll see what is basically happening there. So yeah, so this one, Tesla, I think it's about to resume the momentum towards the upside, and we're anticipating price to continue trading higher. All right, we'll see how far it gets, but we're anticipating it to continue trading higher. So this is how Tesla is looking. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what we have this morning. We've got Lyft, we've got Uber, and then we've got Tesla, right? It's just a few stocks we are looking at while we're waiting for the cryptos to move. All right, hope you guys enjoyed, hope you guys saw these opportunities, and yeah, we'll come back with more update later on. Right, this is where we're gonna end it, guys. Have a good one, have a good day, enjoy the rest of your day, good luck, and cheers. We'll catch you guys on the next episode.